How to add poll to Instagram post. Hello everybody and welcome back to our channel. So let's get started without any further ado. Before we start, you want to make sure that your Instagram app is up to date. So to check it, go ahead and tap on App Store. Once you open the App Store, in the search bar, go ahead and search for Instagram. And once you search for it, in the blue button, if it says update instead of open, you want to go ahead and tap on update and let your Instagram application update to its latest version. Now once it is updated, head back to your home screen and then open Instagram application. Once you open the Instagram app, you want to make sure that you're logged into your Instagram account. Now once you are logged in, simply tap on this plus icon right over here. Tap onto it. Now from here, simply go ahead and select any of the posts. Tap onto it. And once you're done, tap on next right over here. Tap on next again. Now you'll find this text right over here. Write a caption or add a poll. So if you would like to write a caption, you can simply write it. And after that, you'll find this option that says poll right over here. Go ahead and tap onto it. Now simply ask the poll question and you'll find these options. You can also add your options right over here. Now once you have added your own option, simply tap on OK. But you'll have to remember polls cannot be edited after posting. So make sure you write it down correctly. Once done, tap OK. And then tap on Share. So let's go ahead and check the post. As you can see, we have poll right over here. So go ahead and tap on Vote. And you'll find these options. And that is simply how you can add poll to Instagram post. That ends the video, guys. Thank you all for watching the video till the very end and stay tuned until our next upload.